Most agents will tell you that Dubai's property market will always go up, but the 2026 data tells a very different story. In fact, if you buy in the wrong area or the wrong property type over the next 12 months, you could face not just slow growth, but a double-digit correction. Today, I'm revealing the real numbers from the Dubai 2026 market forecast, the ones most people will never show you. By the way, I'm Chris Channer, and I help international buyers and investors just like you navigate Dubai's real estate market with honesty, clarity, and real data, so you can make confident, profitable decisions. If you're thinking about investing in Dubai, whether off-plan or ready, you'll find my phone number, email, booking link, and your free copy of my Dubai 2026 off-plan buyer's guide all in the description below. I speak with investors just like you every single week, and I'd love to help you find the safe, most profitable opportunities in 2026. In 2026, the market enters a new phase. According to the Dubai property market forecast, the city is shifting from rapid double-digit growth into a much more stable and mature cycle. The key headline: growth is slowing and corrections are possible. The forecast states 3 to 5% annual growth is expected in stable communities, but oversupply in areas may see a 10 to 15% price correction in some areas. It's not a crash, but a cooling, a sort of strong versus weak assets. What's driving this? Supply. Dubai's residential stock is expected to reach 1 million units by the end of 2026, up from around 840,000 today. 120,000 new units potentially completing in 2026 alone. Absorption will be tested. But this is where smart investors win, by choosing the right communities and avoiding the weak ones. So what are the areas set to outperform in 2026? My report highlights clear winners for 2026. Areas with strong infrastructure, family demand, and lifestyle appeal. At number 1, we have Jumeirah Village Circle. Strong rental yields, 7 to 8% on average. Highly affordable, massive occupancy rates, and huge tenant demand. Best for investors seeking strong cash flow. Number 2, we have Nad Al Sheba 1. Family-centric, highly connected, only around 10 minutes to downtown, and large villa and townhouse stock. Best for end users and long-term appreciation. At number 3, we have Dubai Hills Estate. Master planned, green, and high-end. Also offers strong long-term price resilience. Best for premium villa investors. At number 4, we have Dubai Creek Harbour. Waterfront investments, future skyline icon in Dubai Creek Tower, and high rental demand, averaging 6 to 7% yields. Best for buyers wanting future upside tied to major infrastructure. Number 5, we have Jumeirah Golf Estates, also known as JGE. Ultra high-end, resort lifestyle, and wealthy end users. Best for long-term luxury preservation. Let's talk about property types. What will perform best in 2026? The forecast is clear. Villas and townhouses, especially in master plan communities, are projected to show the highest resilience and strongest long-term capital appreciation in 2026. Why? Dubai's growing family population, end-user stability, limited land supply in premium villa zones, and high net worth migration. When it comes to high-density apartments, they're under pressure. The report warns that apartments in oversupply, high-density zones may face slower absorption, price stagnation, and even a 10 to 15% correction. But it's important to be precise. Not all apartments will struggle, only those in overbuilt clusters, older buildings with weak lifestyle communities, and also those in low-demand tenant zones. The luxury market is still strong. Premium areas like Palm Jumeirah and Emirates Hills will remain magnets for global wealthy buyers. This segment operates on completely different fundamentals and is largely unaffected by supply cycles. Now, let's go over the rental market outlook. Dubai continues to offer globally competitive rental yields, especially compared to London, Singapore, and other European cities. The report is predicting yields averaging 5.5 to 8% across 2026. The strongest rental market is still JVC at 7 to 8%, Dubai Creek Harbour at 6 to 7%, and mid-market townhouses. The mid-market segment becomes especially important as population growth drives demand for affordable rental homes. So what are the investment trends for 2026? According to the report, investors in 2026 will prioritize high-yield mid-market assets, buyers targeting strong rental income in areas, long-term villa investments, especially in Dubai Hills, Nal Sheba, and premium master plan communities, off-plan with strong developers. Despite the supply surge, off-plan remains attractive, and lastly, Dubai's global appeal still remains unmatched. The tax-free environment, freehold ownership, stability, and economic growth keep Dubai ahead of competing global cities. In this next section, we're going to talk about where the risks really are. This is the part agents never talk about, but the report highlights it clearly. Oversupply risks. Segments with large numbers of new apartments coming in 2026 are at risk of softening. Micro market divergence. Two projects a street apart may perform completely different due to the developer, community, layout, amenities, and tenant demand. Service charges. High service charges destroy return on investment in the mid-market segment. And weak developers. Delay risks rise significantly in 2026 due to construction pressure. This is why buying with a data-led strategy is more important than ever. So what's the final advice for 2026 investors? Here's the simple summary. If you want stable appreciation, choose villas or townhouses in strong master communities. If you want cash flow, choose mid-market apartments in high-demand rental zones. If you want long-term value, buy off-plan from reputable developers in emerging communities. If you want luxury preservation, choose Palm Jumeirah, Dubai Hills, Emirates Hills, or JGE. 2026 isn't about buying anywhere, it's about buying smart. If you're planning to invest in Dubai in 2026 and want help choosing the right area, the right asset type, and the safest projects, I'd love to support you. I speak with international buyers every week who want clarity, transparency, and a long-term plan. You'll find my phone number, email, booking link, and your free 2026 off-plan buyer's guide all in the description below. Reach out at any time, and I'm here to help. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth, data-driven Dubai real estate insight. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.